Now, the last icon over here on the right, this is going to be your profile account. So this is going to bring up your profile account. You can see right over here, I currently have a picture of myself. You also have a little name over there that you can have, kind of like a tag. And then it's going to show how much you actually have total in Robinhood. You can see a little bit of a breakdown here with total investments, brokerage holdings, maybe any cash holdings, and then crypto holdings if you choose to go that route, as well as the spending account too. Now, obviously, there is a transfer button over here. So if you click here, it actually will take you to the transfer section. There is also another way to get to this page as well, and I'll show you here in just a moment. But if we break this down right over here, you can see the first option is to actually be able to transfer money, whether it's from Robinhood to your bank account or from your bank account to Robinhood. So from here, you're going to be able to type in how much you want. So you can go like $100 and it says from which account, and you can choose which account you want to choose from. External are your bank accounts outside of Robinhood that you want to transfer from. You also add an additional account if you needed to. So we're going to go ahead and choose our bank account that we have on file, and then it automatically chooses our brokerage account that we want. Now, right over here, it shows that $100. If we click on review, this is going to just bring us to the next page here, and you could do the frequency change here if you want to go ahead and change it to maybe like a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly type of deposit. And then you can see right over here, you can transfer the money. So the really cool thing with Robinhood is they have this feature called instant deposit, where you can actually get up to $1,000 of your money that you're transferring instantly while that transfer is still happening in the background. So you can go ahead and use that money to go ahead and invest into the stock market right away. So if we click on transfer here, this is actually going to go through this process, and you're going to see here it says deposit initiated, and it will take a couple of days to go through that process. We can click on continue at the bottom. And right over here, that is that instant deposit available feature that I was just telling you about. If you have Robinhood Gold, it takes it from $1,000 all the way to $5,000. Now, the really interesting thing with this is that it's up to $1,000 originally. And then once that money clears, you have access to that $1,000 instantly again. But keep in mind, it is still officially pulling from your bank account. So you need to make sure you have that money available for them to pull.